Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie craft easy method. Start by gathering patterned paper, scissors, glue, a pencil, and a small paper plate for the base. Trace an apple shape onto the patterned paper, then cut 2 identical pieces. Layer and glue them around the paper plate, adding a stem and leaf. Finish with decorative details like glitter or marker shading for depth and seal. Gather these materials before you begin to keep the process smooth and fun. You will need patterned paper, a small paper plate, scissors, glue, pencil, and marker. Optional items include glitter, ribbon, or stickers for decoration. Having everything ready prevents interruptions and helps kids stay engaged. Arrange supplies on a clean surface and set a damp cloth nearby for quick cleanups. This craft works great for parties and classroom activities. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more craft tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, perfect for picking up glitter and paper scraps after craft time. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate each like, comment, and subscription because it helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by tracing an apple shape onto patterned paper twice, then cut both shapes carefully with scissors. Fold one apple shape in half to create dimension, then glue the edges to the paper plate base. Attach the second apple shape slightly offset to add fullness, then glue a small stem and leaf at the top. Add decorative accents like glitter, ribbon, or marker shading for a polished finish and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.